So what would I do to try and prevent issues with a 6.4? Very first thing I would do to any 6.4 is ditch the low pressure factory fuel system on it. There's nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't do a very good job. It does not do water separation at all. There's a water and fuel sensor. It will pop on a light to let you know that there is water in your fuel. If you don't pull over almost immediately and drain the water out of the lower filter housing, it's running through the engine. There's nothing to stop it from running through the engine. It doesn't have any way of sending water back to the fuel tank and keeping it out of your injectors or your injection pump. So the very first thing I would do on any 6.4 with that little bit of knowledge is I would put a fast fuel system on it, because that is true water separation. Fast has some really great videos, and maybe we'll even get fancy with the editing on this one, and we'll edit a little clip of one of their videos in here. They have a video where they literally take fuel in a cylinder on a bench and they run it through a truck, and then they stop the video, or they stop the truck, add water to that cylinder to the point where you can very clearly see they put a ton of water in it. And the fast fuel system does such an efficient job of separating the water out of the fuel and sending it back to the tank that the truck eventually dies because it can't run on water.